Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off pop-up ads in Google Chrome on Android. It's very easy. Just open your Android browser here. Now on the top right you will see the three dots. Tap on it, go to the settings of your phone. Now here you have to scroll a little bit down, basically the bottom, and in the bottom you will find the option which is called site setting. Tap on it, and here you will also find a lot of options. Just scroll a little bit down, and here you will find the option of pop-ups and redirects. Now click on it. So in my phone it is by default it's turned off. In your case it is turned on. So what you have to do, you have to click on this toggle and make sure that this is turned off. Now you have to just go back, and it has been completely turned off pop-up ads in Google Chrome, and it's really easy. So this is the only thing which you need to carefully just follow the instruction. And if you found this video till here very helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel.